Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noina Shokina binti Muhammad. Later, I will introduce my group members. So, we will present our group project, which is Set 5, and the topic are annuity and cash and trade discount in business mathematics. Next, I will introduce our group members, which is Tasha, Kina, Amy, and Farah. Introduction to annuity and trade discount. What is an annuity? It is a series of equal payments which occurs at equal time intervals, usually monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Cash discount and trade discount are both discounts offered by business but differ in their use. A cash discount is a reduction in the price when paid early or with cash, while a trade discount is typically offered between business for bulk purchases and does not apply due to cash or early payment.
Let's start with question 1. Adina bought a 4x4 highlights for Rm135,000 with 10% down payment. She took a loan to settle the balance at the bank that charged an interest rate of 5.4% compound monthly. The balance must be settled within 9 years. A. Calculate the monthly payment. To find the monthly payment, first we need to find out the amount of the loan. So we need to times down payment with the selling price that stated on the question, which is 135,000 ringgit. Before we times, we need to change the down payment into decimal. So 10 over with 100 ringgit to get the decimal. So the answer is 0.1. 0.1 we need to times with 135,000 ringgit. After we get the answer, which is 13,500 ringgit, we need to minus with 135,000. So 135,000 minus 13,500, we will get the amount of the loan, which is 121,500. Next, to find the monthly payment, we need to use a formula. A equal R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I, the power of n, over I. So before we find that, we need to find out the I and n. The formula for I is K over M, and the formula for n is MT. So if we need to find out the I. So K over M, which is the K is the interest rate that be given in the questions, and the M is the compound that state in the question. So K is 5.4%. We need to change it into decimal. So 0.054. We need to divide with 12 because it's compound monthly. Monthly means 12. Next, we need to find n. So n, the formula is m and t. M is 12 and t is 9 because the question state that the balance must be settled within 9 years. So after we times 12 with 9, we will get 108. After that, we need to put it in the formula. 121,500 equal R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.054 over 12, the power of negative 108 over 0.054 over 12, because 0.054 over 12 is I, negative 108 is n. Next, after we do that, we need to change the position of 121,500 to the right. So the R will be in the left. So 121,500 times 0.054 over 12. Divide with in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.054 over 12. The power of negative 108. So we will get the answer 1,422 ringgit 91 cent. So that's the answer for the monthly payment. Next is question B. Find the total interest charge. For the total interest charge, the formula is I equal Rn minus A. So I equal R, we already find it in the first question, which is 1,422 ringgit 91 cent. So 1,422 ringgit and 91 cent, we just time with 108. 108 is from n. N is 9 times 12, so we get 108. After that, we need to minus with A. The A is 135,000 ringgit. So after we minus that things, which is 1,422 ringgit 91 times 108 minus 135,000 ringgit, we will get 18,674 ringgit 28 cent. Next is question C. If Ainina failed to pay the first 4 monthly payments, calculate the amount she had to pay on the fifth payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. The formula that we need to use is S equal R in bracket 1 plus I the power of n minus 1 divided by I. So first, we need to put the R in front. So 1,422 ringgit 91 cent in bracket 1 plus 0.054 over 12 the power of 5 minus 1 over 0.054 over 12. So we need to settle down in bracket first, which is 1 plus 0.054 over 12 the power of 5 minus 1 divide 0.054 over 12. After we got the answer, we need to times with 1,422 ringgit 91 cent. So we will get the answer 7,178 ringgit 87 cent. So I will pass the next question to Kina.
Thank you, Tasha. So I will present my part, which is part A, question 2. John took a loan that charged interest of 4.5% compounded monthly to buy a single-story terrace house. He paid a down payment of 35,000 ringgit and needs to repay the loan in 30 years' time with monthly payment 1,266 and 20 cent ringgit. A. Find the cash price of the house. So we know that the formula is A equals to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of negative n divided by I, and then you have to close the bracket. I equals to K over M 0.045 divided by 12, and you get the answer is 0.00375. N equals to MT 12 times 30, and you get the answer is 360. And then you have to put all the answer in the formula for A. A equals to 1,266.20 cent open bracket 1 plus 0.00375 close bracket the power of negative 316 divided by 0.00375, and then you have to close the bracket, and then you get the answer is A equals to 249,898.70 cent ringgit. And then you have to find the cash price. Cash price equals to A plus down payment 249,898.70 cent plus 35,000 ringgit, and then you get the answer is 284,898.70 cent. For the question B, calculate the total interest charge, and the formula is I equals to NR minus A, and then 360 times 1,266 and 20 cent minus 249,898.70 cent, and then you get the answer is 205,933 and 30 cent.
Alright, thank you Kina. Now let me introduce myself first. So, my name is Wan Emizatu Azwani binti Tun Abdul Aziz. I would like to present about part B question 1. Let me read first. A retailer bought 150 shawls at 35 ringgit per unit on 26 May 2022. She received an invoice with trade discount of 10% and 8% and cash discount term of 6/5, 2/10 and over 30 respectively. The freight charge is 80 ringgit. So, the first question, explain the cash discount term. For C/5, entitled to 6% cash discount if payment is made within 5 days after the date of invoice. For 2/10, entitled to 2% cash discount if payment is made between the 6 days up to 10 days after the date of invoice. For the last one, N/30, entitled to no cash discount if payment is made between the 15 days up to 30 days after the date of invoice. For question B, calculate the single discount equivalent rate to the above trading discount. So, formula single discount equivalent rate equal to 1 minus in bracket 1 minus D1 times in bracket 1 minus D2. Next, 1 minus in bracket 1 minus 10 over 100 times 2 in bracket 1 minus 8 over 100. So next, 1 minus in bracket 9 over 10 times 2 in bracket 23 over 25. So we get 0.172. We need to times with 100. So we get in percent, which is 17.2%. So for the question C, find the total payment if the retailer paid on 1st June 2022. First, we must find the day of payment made. Okay, so see this payment made. So, payment for 1st June 2022 entitled to 2% cash discount. Formula for total payment equal net price plus transportation cost. So, net price we must to times 35 ringgit times to 150, and in bracket 1 minus 43 over 250, and in bracket 1 minus 2 over 100, and plus with transportation cost, which is 80 ringgit. So the total payment is 4,340 ringgit and 6 cents. Okay, that's all from me. Next, I will pass to Farah for the next presentation.
Thank you, Amy. My name is Farah Nabil Habanti Azmi. Next, I will explain for the question 2 part B. The question for 2A is find the list price. Based on the question, net price after the trade discount including transportation cost of 120 ringgit Malaysia was 1,600 ringgit Malaysia. Net price is the payment that you need to pay excluding transportation. So we take 1,600 ringgit Malaysia minus 120 ringgit Malaysia equal to 1,480 ringgit Malaysia. Next, back to the question of list price. We need to use the net price formula, which is net price equal to list price times 1 minus discount 1 times 1 minus discount 2. We want to find the list price. So net price that we find is 1,480 ringgit Malaysia equal to list price times 1 minus 0.12 times 1 minus 0.08. We want to find this price by calculating 1 minus 0.12 times 1 minus 0.08 equal to 0.8096. After that, we move 0.8096 to the other left side by dividing with the net price, which is 1,480 ringgit Malaysia. The last answer for this price is 1,828 ringgit Malaysia 6 cents. The question for 2B is find the last date to receive the cash discount. The table on the slide shows that the last date for 6% cash discount is 25 June 2022 because we minus 25 June 2022 with 50 June 2022 and we get the answer of the day is 10. Next, last date for 4% cash discount is 5 July 2022 because 26 June 2022 until 5 July 2022 is 10 days. So 10 days plus 10 days, we get 20 days for 4% cash discount. Question for 2C is find the total payment if the payment was made on 21st June 2022. The payment on 21st June 2022 entitled to 6% cash discount based on the question 2B. We We want to find the total payment by using formula net price plus transportation. So the net price is 1,480 ringgit Malaysia times 1 minus 0.12 times 1 minus 0.08 times 1 minus 0.06 plus transportation is 120 ringgit Malaysia. The answer we get is 1,246 ringgit Malaysia and 32 cents. Question for 2D is find the amount of discount obtained. The formula of total discount is list price minus net price. List price is 1,828 ringgit Malaysia 6 cents minus with net price which is 1,480 ringgit Malaysia times 1 minus 0.12 times 1 minus 0.08 times 1 minus 0.06. The total discount that we get is 701 ringgit Malaysia and 74 cents. That's all from us and thank you.